All right, well, we are headed to the beach. We're just going to the beach because we can. Yep, I just decided to go to the beach maybe 5 minutes ago. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. So a few days ago I applied some sound deadening in the doghouse area and a couple other places. I'm kind of curious to see how noisy is it in the taco truck. How noisy is it? We're about to find out when we get on the freeway there. Not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful day here at the beach. What do you want? You want to eat? Of course you do. You always want to eat. We're just chilling over here at the beach. Just another day. Click. It's beautiful. Beautiful out here. Not a lot of people. Usually this beach is packed. It's nice. I love it. All right, we're gonna go grab a coffee. So here we are. I'm gonna spend the night right here. So the 7-Eleven is right over there. And then there's a big industrial park right over here. Plenty of lighting. Big industrial park. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. And I could walk my dog here. And then in the morning, I'm about a 10-minute drive to the beach. So I like to think that I'm hiding in plain sight. I mean, look at my vehicle. It looks like it belongs here, right? It doesn't look out of place, I don't think. I don't know. Maybe I'm delusional, but I just look at my vehicle and I just think like no one even gives it a second thought. Like it's hiding in plain sight. We are in an industrial park and this is an industrial vehicle. So really happy with the few additions, the few upgrades that I've made to the van. I'm loving it. This isn't for everybody, but it sure is for me. I love it. What am I gonna do? I don't know. Call me crazy, but we were at the beach all day. Just a real quick vacuum job. Pablo, as soon as I turn the vacuum on, he goes to his house. He goes into his little kennel. Get in the house. Get in the house. Yeah. That's just a quick vacuum so that any little pieces of dirt or hair or sand or whatever where I walk doesn't get trapped on my bare feet. Just a quick vacuum. Bada bing, bada bing, bada boom. Okay, Pablo, come on. Good boy. Good boy. Go get your water and go eat. So today was a nice day. Now we're gonna relax. We're gonna take all this stuff off the bed, because a lot of this stuff will fly off the shelves when I'm driving. So I just toss everything on my bed. Not a lot of stuff. No big deal. I could probably put it all on the floor if I really wanted to, but yeah. It's not a big deal. Got me some 7-Eleven coffee. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Yep. Got my back scratcher. Oh my God. Oh, that's heaven. And we're good to go. Tomorrow we're gonna go wake up in the morning, first thing, go to 7-Eleven and get another coffee, and then go to the beach, spend a couple hours over there, enjoy the morning with some coffee and the dog. And it's gonna be really chilly, so not a lot of people there. Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. Got plenty of battery life. Gonna watch some Netflix and drink some coffee and chill. That's what's happening. Deuces.